Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today's story is The Bird with the Golden Dropping. Let's dive in. One day, a hunter trapped a special bird whose dropping turned into gold. He knew that the bird could make him rich, but that would arouse suspicion amongst people, and the tax authorities might target him. So the next day, he went to the palace and presented the bird in front of the king and said, I offer this bird to you whose dropping turned into gold for a suitable reward. The king was impressed and promised the hunter to pay him handsomely. He told his attendants to take special care of the bird. Suddenly, a minister interrupted and said, O king, I have never heard of a bird whose dropping turned gold. Have you? You must let the bird go and punish the hunter for fooling us. The king agreed, and his attendant opened the cage. The bird flew above the palace gates and dropped the dropping that turned into gold. Everyone was shocked and regretted letting the bird go. So guys, the moral of this story is, we must verify every claim before rejecting it. So guys, in this story, we see here the bird, the golden dropping, and the hunter, and also, if you can see, the king. So guys, if you're new to my channel, to find it, go to Arjun, California, and check out my other videos too. So, in this video, I hope you like it, and make sure to subscribe and click the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video.